As cities continue to expand, new developments spread farther from urban centres, increasing travel distances, energy consumption, and environmental impact. In this context, reusing and inhabiting existing spaces becomes a more sustainable and responsible alternative to building anew. By transforming what already exists, architecture can reduce resource consumption, minimize waste, and create meaningful places with a lower environmental and economic cost. There are many underutilized places in our cities, senseless corners, or spaces that are forgotten. As urban beings, we believe that cities are great stages that must be reconfigured to enhance quality of life and make the most of immediate resources. Promoting integration within existing infrastructures, architecture must be accessible to all. All places are transformable. A warehouse, an abandoned space, an orphaned room, or spaces we never imagined existed. Our palace, a spacious and bright area in the heart of a block, offers us multiple possibilities. Our intervention results in furniture of various scales. The architects embrace recycling as a key design principle, giving new life to reclaimed materials with unique histories and character. Timber beams from a demolished house and a fallen tree trunk were carefully repurposed, reducing environmental impact while creating a distinctive and meaningful architectural identity. Coexisting with nature, it promotes empathy and understanding, fostering care, environmental protection, and human well-being. Incorporating nature into urban spaces inspires reflection and critique, driving a vision of harmonious coexistence with the natural world. This approach is a political act, especially in hostile urban environments, as it fosters micro-habitats that favor biodiversity and reduce carbon dioxide levels, ultimately contributing to a more sustainable future. flexibility of use is movement as part of the space. This concept connects people and architecture through interactive and playful spaces that encourage participation and experimentation. It prioritizes user-centered design, adapting to individual needs and embracing diversity, change, and self-expression. Architecture becomes a dynamic and immersive experience that fosters a deeper connection between people and their environment. The project embraces the value of craftsmanship and self-making. Many of its elements are designed and built by hand, turning the act of construction into a process of creativity, discovery, and personal expression. By moving away from standardized production, the architecture gains a unique identity shaped by care, skill, and human touch.